In this video, I will show you how to use Workload View to avoid team burnout in Monday.com. If this guide helps, please consider liking and subscribing so others can see it too. First, you want to create a new dashboard. I will name this dashboard Workspace. Select Create Dashboard. You then want to connect boards to your dashboard. So I will connect my project workflow, marketing campaigns, and team collaboration. Once you have connected your boards, you want to add a widget. We want to go down to More Widgets and type in workload and select add widget. Once you add your widget, you will see your workload presented to you. So Kyle Middleton, I don't have anything due. So we can see for the unassigned person, they have a number of projects due. This helps you and your team stay organized. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.